South China floods with more than 40 miners trapped in 2 mines. As of Sunday, July 3rd, officials reported that torrential rains of the past few days in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region were beginning to taper. Most residents were returning to their homes in the mountainous region, with water monitoring being conducted to prevent any disease epidemics and post-disaster construction efforts being launched to address the estimated $4 million in damages. However, rescuers still worked to save more than 40 miners who had become buried underground in 2 different coal mine disasters.
The Niupeng Coal Mine in Guizhou province had flooded on Saturday, causing 23 miners to be trapped. Over 1,000 police officers, firefighters and paramilitary personnel, along with 5 special rescue teams, were dispatched to save the men. Meanwhile, 3 other miners lost their lives and 19 await rescue, some 300 meters below the ground in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, where the surface ground above Zhangcun Coal Mine collapsed on Saturday after days of heavy rain. We are grateful for the relief efforts on behalf of the flood-affected residents and for the tireless rescue personnel working to save the miners underground. Our sincere sympathies for the lives lost, as we pray that the surviving men are soon brought to safety and that such extreme conditions ease as we strive for more thoughtful care of fellow inhabitants and the earth.
Supreme Master Qinghai wants to convey this message of gratitude to all governments, organizations and relief workers from every corner of the world. Thank you all the international and national help that brings care and necessities to afflicted victims. Thank you all the relief workers for taking time and forsaking your own comfort, even traveling great distance on unfavorable roads and conditions to bring love and assistance to people in time of need. May heaven bless you abundantly for your generosity and noble sacrifice.